together for Miss Ronet.
Wow!
Guest speaker, chairperson, members of Disruptive Kids Club of Western Jamaica, honored guests, parents, staff of Feature Basic School, well-wishers and the graduating class of 2025. Good morning to you all. It is with a sense of pride that I stand here this morning to welcome you all to our school giving program 2025. We are excited that you are here. It is an exceptional and super special morning. Why so super special? It is our graduation day. Today is a special day in so many ways because of that extra special word of welcome must go to our guest speaker, chairperson, families and those who we call friends who have come from near, far and wide. Just share today with us a big welcome to you. Please sit back, relax, laugh, cry, but most of all, enjoy the morning's program. As we school leaders show the balance within us and our determination to never give up. And we try everything, we plan to strive for excellence and to believe that with God, nothing is impossible. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We wanted to feel